Wanted to shoot a quick video of the 3157 switchbacks I purchased from RetroShop. It's hard to see, but that's the white LED that's currently on when the parking lights are activated. And then over here I got the turn signal already blinking. As you can see, it's amber. Pull it out and you can see. I really like this because it really complements everything else that I've done LED by myself, so I can't switch these. You see, watch it switch back to white. Amber when turn signal is activated, and back to white. And like I said, I really like these because they match everything LED. My clearance lights up top, my headlights, fogs, and now the 3157, excuse me, bulbs. Nicely matches. And again, the switchback